is Novalinda Batuk. Now I will present 25 academic words in a topic about education and technology in the modern era. In the contemporary era, education has experienced a significant transformation due to technological advancement. The integration of digital in platforms has enhanced their ability to access information and improve their learning outcomes. Teachers are now encouraged to implement innovative strategies to promote critical thinking and creativity in the classroom. The collaboration between educators and students has become more interactive through virtual communication tools. Moreover, technology supports the development of analytical and solving skills, which are essential for academic success. Many institutions emphasize digital literacy as fundamental component of modern education. Through continuous evolution and adaptation, schools can maintain their relevance and effectiveness. Not only increases student motivation but also prepares them to face global challenges with confidence and competence. Okay guys, that's all my presentation. Thank you for watching and see you and have a great day. Pernyataan persetujuan saya yang bertanda tangan di bawah ini dengan nama Novalinda Batuk dari Fakultas Keguruan Ilmu Pendidikan semester 3 dengan sadar memberikan izin dan bersedia agar video saya diunggah di kanal YouTube sebagai tugas mata kuliah Speaking 3. Dengan demikian pernyataan persetujuan ini saya sampaikan untuk digunakan sebagaimana mestinya. Pembuat pernyataan Novalinda Batuk.